Hey guys, today we're making the best, fluffiest and tastiest chocolate cake. It has a layer of amazingly silky ganache which just makes the whole cake. It's so easy to make and every second will be worth it. So let's get started. Okay, so you want to separate your extra large eggs into two bowls. You want to separate them because we are going to be whipping up the egg whites separately. This is a chiffon cake, so that's why we whip up the egg whites. Once you're done separating, you can put the egg yolks to the side. Into the egg whites, I'm adding in a pinch of bicarb, and you want to whip this up with an electric mixer until it reaches stiff peaks. You can use a whisk for this, but just know that it will take quite a while. Once it's done whipping up, you can set that to the side. Into the egg yolk bowl, I'm adding in the other ingredients. And start with the flour, sugar, water, vanilla, oil, and then set that to the side. Now I have my cocoa powder in a separate container, and I'm going to slowly start adding in the water to form a paste. Now the amount of water you need will vary, so just be careful. You want to end up with a smooth, silky paste. Then you're going to add the cocoa powder paste to your egg yolk bowl with all the other ingredients. And you're going to beat this with your electric mixer for around 10 minutes. Now this will just add in lots of air into your cake to make it light and fluffy. It will also change the color of the batter. As you can see, it is very light and fluffy after 10 minutes of beating. This is exactly how you want it. Once you're done, then you can add in your baking powder and beat until just combined. Do not overmix this. Once you're all done, then you can add in around a third of your egg whites and fold this in gently, just so that the texture becomes similar. And then you can add in the rest of your egg whites. Make sure you mix this in gently so that you can keep as much air in as possible. You want to take your baking tray with a bit of water in it. You don't need to use any spray at all, just the water is perfectly fine, and pour your batter into it. Then you want to bake this in your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Keep an eye on it. Ensure that you don't open your oven while it's baking. Now we're going to make our ganache. You want to put your chocolate and your cream into a saucepan and take that over to the stove. You're going to heat this on medium heat, whisking continuously until it reaches a super smooth, glossy ganache. This will take a little while, so just be patient and keep whisking. Once your cake has baked, you can pour the super silky ganache over the top. and spread it out evenly. And that's it. You're all done. This is the perfect, easy cake to satisfy those cravings. And it's the most delicious cake you'll ever taste. It's soft, fluffy, and perfectly sweet. And the ganache on top just makes the cake. And that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.